Ever start one tiny job on your project and somehow end up knee deep in wiring, metalwork and roof panels you didn't even plan to touch? Yeah, welcome back to the Debonair build, where every quick job turns into a full-on mission, but we're making massive progress today. G'day team, great to have you back. If you're new here, this channel is all about saving old classics, rebuilding them from the ground up and taking you along for the ride. Today's update is a big one: electrics, fuel system, interior work, doghouse fabrication, roof repairs, insulation and more, so let's jump straight into it. We're ticking off more jobs here, starting with some engine electrics. Need a park switch for the start circuit, and a couple of brackets to mount everything. Switch open, no start. Transmission in park and switch closed, job done. How about some go juice? Fuel system is all go. Nice shiny fuel cap though, it's all about the small ones. Rear lamps are from a Hillman Minx or Husky, found them at a Palmerston North swap meet. No inners though, they all rust out, so I made my own. Looks about right, I'm happy with that. Now back inside. Trapdoor made for the gas bottle. Slides underneath the edge of the cabinet. That doesn't exist yet. Oh well, sealing the underside of the floor is a lovely sticky job and it took ages, but it looks great, even though you'll never see it. Time to sort the front floors. Pretty sure this side needs a new floor, but the battery no longer sits here anyway. So we've got the rear floor screwed down, solid again. Next job, fitting the left front seat. Made up the crush tubes. Oh, what fun. Seat base tilts forward. Upper frame fitted. Time for the doghouse. Let's start the engine cover. Side panel is fitted and the floor extension done. Bit of a gap left to fill, so the doghouse is in progress, and we'll start here and here and here till this happened. Then this, and this bit should look sweet put together. A couple more doghouse pictures with the 2mm steel all folded up. Looks pretty good. So we're just carrying on with the work, and suddenly, scaffolding. Lots of scaffolding. Here's a roof view from above. The old roof vent. Be gone soon. Some more internal work. Last bit for this year. It's getting close. So we prop the roof up to install roof battens. This one goes here. Looks about right. Polyester glued. And it stayed up. Other side, glued. Roof supports all in. Worked pretty well. Now the roof is very rigid. Sneaky peeky time. Things are definitely happening on the inside. We got the kitchen bench. And the fridge goes in the lower cavity here. Oh, here's the view down the side where the wardrobe will go. And from the back door, under seat storage. The other side, the wardrobe again. Side of the window shot. Note the window is inside the wardrobe. And a driver's door view. Starting to look like a real interior now. Back to more roof work.
cutting out the old roof fence. One big hole. Make that 2 big holes. And we're going to test fit the new roof vent surrounds. Bringing the scaffolding down means the roof is now finished. So the wheel tubs are installed now. Cleaned up okay considering what they were like before. And a bit of insulation time. Insulation stuck on everywhere. Things are finally progressing. So we got some CF Bedford mirrors. What can I do with these, you might ask? I think we can fit them on. And the doors. Looking good. And that's another massive chunk of progress on the Debonair. The deeper we go, the more this thing starts to take shape, and I'm loving how it's all coming together. If you're enjoying the build, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It generally helps push the project to more fans out there. And if you want to see a completely different kind of chaos, check out the Fiat 500 Bambina Flood Salvage series. It's coming and it's going to be a good one. It survived a cyclone, it got soaked in salt water, and we're bringing it back from the dead. You'll absolutely love it. Alright team, thanks for watching. More Debonair progress coming soon. Catch you in the next one.